In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the accent in ElevenLabs in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to add a little flair or perhaps a different regional tone to your projects, then you're in the right place. We're going to break down each step of the process, making it as clear and easy as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This is your starting point, so just head over to your preferred browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you frequently use. Once you have your browser open, the next step is to log into your ElevenLabs account. Make sure that you have your credentials handy so you can access the platform without any hitches. Now, let's talk about using the text-to-speech feature. It's important to ensure that you're working with the 11v3 voice design, which is specifically tailored for expressive voices. This version is built to capture nuances and inflections, offering a more dynamic and authentic voice output. When you're crafting your text, utilize the 11v3 audio tags by incorporating bracketed cues. These cues help you to assign specific accents or expressions within your speech, providing greater control over the final product. Once you have your text ready, it's time to click on Generate Speech. This action will initiate the process of converting your written text into spoken word, utilizing the accents or expressions you've set up. Take a moment to listen carefully to what's been produced. This is your opportunity to assess the quality and accuracy of the voice output. Make sure it aligns with your expectations and effectively conveys the message you intend to share. Finally, once you're satisfied with the generated voice for your message, it's time to share or download. If everything sounds just right, you can easily share it with your audience or download the file for later use. This flexibility allows you to keep a copy for edits or further modifications. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly change the accent in ElevenLabs, bringing a new dimension to your audio projects. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if needed, and enjoy experimenting with different accents to best fit your content's needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy creating!